everybody.
Hey, Aaliyah. So, what are you going to show us?
I'm a rock.
Your rocks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, are they live rock or dead rock?
A dead rock.
They're dead rocks. Okay, where did you get them?
Bahamas.
Huh?
Bahamas.
Bahamas, all right. So, where is your fish tank? Oh, wow, it's so pretty. So, what kind of fish do you have?
With that clownfish in it.
Where's the clownfish? Oh, okay. Is that a saltwater?
No, this is a clownfish.
Oh,
This is a clownfish too.
oh, that's so cool. Do you have a freshwater or a saltwater?
So, fresh water.
Oh, that's a freshwater?
No, that's a salt water.
Oh, that's a saltwater. Okay.
I have it.
You have it?
Yeah.
And these are your rocks from your aquarium? Can you show us? Can you show us all of your rocks? Oh, this is so cool.
I put it on this for this.
Wow, so much
That's
information.
yeah.
Cool.
Look at the rock.
Oh, perfect. That's so cool.
Let's take a picture of my rock.
Oh, yes, sure. Oh, beautiful. Cheese. So are we done with this video?
No.
No?
No.
Do you want to tell us more?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell us?
I know how to tell you. Oh, look here. Take a picture of this.
Oh, okay, I did. See? Now, what else do you want to say to your viewers?
That's
Cool. All right, can you say goodbye, everybody?
Goodbye, everybody.
See you soon.
See you soon.